Hey guys, I'm doing another Dollar Tree haul close-up style. I shopped the Sephora sale today and I also stopped at Daiso and we had dinner at IKEA and kind of a late night trip to Dollar Tree. I'm going to start with the non-Dollar Tree stuff. First off, from Daiso. I've been looking for pocket tissues at Dollar Tree that weren't made in China. I couldn't find any unless they were in like a super small pack, and there's 16 packages in here. So this is perfect for a purse and also for my daughter's backpack. These are made in Japan and this was $175. Daiso is a lot pricier than it used to be. And also from Daiso, I got this rice cracker with seaweed. It's basically like a kind of a soy sauce salty cracker with like seaweed wrapped around it. I love this. This is made in Thailand and it was $2.50. I also got some other stuff from Daiso, but I'm gonna stop showing you guys what I give people as gifts because next month I want to make a video on what I got people for Christmas, so I don't want to like show you twice. And I also popped into Marshalls and I was looking for press-on nails. This is the Cream Shop by Hello Kitty. They had pink ones and red ones and I thought these were more festive. I wanted to wear these for my holiday giveaway. So if you're watching this video, my holiday giveaway will be up and I'll link that down below. And these were $6.99. It comes with the nail file and the glue. These are super cute. And from IKEA, I got this milk chocolate bar with hazelnuts. This one's my favorite. They have 3 kinds. I actually bought 3 bars. I got one of each kind and my daughter got the milk chocolate one. She's eating it right now. And these are either $1.29 each or 3 for $3. I think you have to have like the IKEA family card to get that discount. Moving on to the Dollar Tree stuff. I didn't put this up here because it's bleach, but I got 2 bleaches and everything at Dollar Tree is $1.25 now. LA is Totally Awesome bleach. So I'll go through the first bag. I got this card for my friend. It says for my friend. In this busy world of ours where special friends are few, it really is a joy to have as good a friend as you. Sorry, I'm like losing my voice. Have a very happy birthday. This is for my really good friend in Germany. I'm going to mail her package very soon. This one was 50 cents, so 2 for $1. And then I got this Aquarius astrology booklet for my best friend, Scotty. He's an Aquarius, so is my boyfriend. So I thought this would be fun for him to read. I'm just gonna put this in his Christmas package. And I got this large print wall calendar for 2023. I got a calendar for myself last Dollar Tree haul, and if you haven't seen that one, I'll link that down below. This one will be for my boyfriend in his office, and then I got this for my daughter. She loves cats, but I am allergic. This is also for 2023, and this one's cool because it has 2. It's so adorable. I see these cats a lot on Instagram. They're so cute, and a lot of the times they're in Japan. This will be for her room. The extra one for, I don't know, her desk or something. Second bag. So I got one of these gloves in my last Dollar Tree haul for my daughter, and it's cold in the morning, so she's been wearing them every day. She has 2 pairs right now, so now she'll have one for every day of the school week. And these are the 2-in-1. Underneath is a gray pair, and then the black and gray striped on top. And she likes the fingerless gloves, obviously, so she can text. So now she'll be set for the school days. And then I got this for her stocking. Just saw it randomly. This was like the only one. It's called Fuzzy Friends. I just thought it was funny, like a taco with a hair. Kind of looks like it could be a Shopkins plushie, but I thought this was a funny thing to go in her stocking. I didn't want to make a trip to Target, so I just got a package of cotton balls for the bathroom. There's 100 in here. But this doesn't last very long, actually. They're not very good, but it's just like a last minute thing. Next time I'll go to Target and get a couple packages, and they have more in theirs, and it's a better deal at Target. I got this for my boyfriend's stocking. There's 30 elastics in here, so he uses my hair ties and they're black and his hair is not black. It matches his hair more, and yeah, it's a good stocking stuffer. Now my daughter said she liked these and I didn't know she still liked them. These are Sour Punch straws in strawberry, so this is gonna go in her stocking. I hope all the stuff I got for her fits in her stocking. I also got this for my daughter's stocking stuffer. It's LA Colors and the shade is Wild Memories. This is so cute. It has a little tiny nail file attached to it, and they had a bunch of colors, but purple's her favorite color and she doesn't have a purple nail polish to go in her stocking. And then I got this for her room. This is Huggy Simply Clean fragrance free wipes. There's 32 in here. She usually likes a package of wipes in her room. Last item and I'm done. This is Brains That Wouldn't Die. It's a collection collection of 6 midnight movies on 2 DVDs. I haven't seen any of these. So you get The Brain That Wouldn't Die, The Head, The Atomic Brain, Indestructible Man, The Amazing Transparent Man, and The Mounster. I think I heard of The Mounster. This is gonna go to my friend Dave in his Christmas package. I'm already done shopping for him. So that is everything I got in this Dollar Tree haul and that miscellaneous stuff there. Daiso, Marshalls, and IKEA. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!